Yes, as a journalist, what I can say, especially when we see news, maybe you're recording in a busy street, right? Perhaps you could now, what's it called, to hash the face, to blur the face, right, of the passers-by, so that the core focus would be on the person representing or speaking, presenting, right? Or if, let's say, you are interviewing a random person, ideally first, they have to be aware of, maybe someone else within the team can ask, by the way, we are doing this interview on TV, would you like to be on the live show? Here, we'll use your information for this purpose. Here is a consent for signing. You should be literally working with those consent forms, because you do not want to expose the company that you're working for to this litigation. So they have to sign a consent. Consent is key. It is safe to protect yourself as an organization or even as an individual. Yes.
What about this? We also have news or some sorts of news. For example, if there's a demonstration somewhere, or especially during the Mandamano era, we're just coming from, or maybe we're posing from, I don't know. But during that Mandamano era, when people are on the roads, are on the streets, and we have to take that footage of people rioting or people demonstrating. Do we also require to go to the demonstrators and ask them for their consent?
What I've seen happening is that either the blurring of the faces or maybe some form of notice, so that they are aware that their faces will obviously appear on the television. So what I've seen, for example, in supermarkets, like maybe they are launching supermarkets, so you don't have control over the walk-ins. You don't have control. So maybe even there at the entrance, having like a notice saying that you will be recorded. If you have an issue, here is the email to contact, because you do not have control. Yes, even there was one supermarket where I saw they put emojis on the passers-by. So that shows how progressively these organizations are embracing the law, so as not to find themselves subject to litigation or various other claims.